Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our medical channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating paradox that happens in our immune system as we age. Why do our killer T cells, the elite soldiers of our body, become more like those of newborns and children? And what does this mean for our health and longevity? Let's find out. First, let's meet our killer T cells. These are specialized white blood cells that patrol our body and eliminate infected or abnormal cells. They are like the snipers of our immune system, with a sharp eye and a deadly aim. Killer T cells have receptors on their surface that recognize specific antigens, or molecules, on the target cells. When they find a match, they release chemicals that destroy the target cell. Now, let's see what happens to our killer T cells as we age. As we grow older, our immune system undergoes some changes. One of these changes is called immunosenescence, which means the gradual decline of immune function with age. Immunosenescence affects different aspects of our immune system, but one of the most noticeable effects is on our killer T cells. As we age, our killer T cells become less diverse, less responsive, and less effective. But here's where it gets interesting. Scientists have recently discovered that killer T cells in older adults resemble those in newborns and children. They have similar patterns of gene expression, metabolism, and function. This is surprising because newborns and children have immature immune systems that are still developing and learning. They have not been exposed to many antigens and pathogens, so their killer T cells are naive and inexperienced. So why do older adults have childlike killer T cells? And what are the implications of this discovery? Scientists have proposed some possible explanations for this paradox. One is that older adults have exhausted their pool of naive killer T cells, which are constantly being used and replaced throughout life. Another is that older adults have accumulated too many memory killer T cells, which are specialized for specific antigens but less adaptable to new ones. Whatever the reason, this discovery could help us understand why older adults are more vulnerable to infections and diseases. It could also help us design better vaccines and therapies for aging populations. The ultimate goal is to optimize our immune system throughout our lifespan. This could mean finding ways to maintain or restore the diversity and function of our killer T cells. It could also mean finding ways to modulate or balance the immune response to avoid overreaction or underreaction. By doing so, we could improve our health and longevity and enjoy a better quality of life. So, dear viewers, that's how our killer T cells become childlike as we age. We hope you learned something new and intriguing today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay curious. Until next time, this is Dear Doctor, signing off.